Unraveling Slang, in the know. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English easy and fun for you. Today, we've got a fascinating phrase that pops up a lot in English conversations, in the know. Have you heard it before? If you're curious about what it means and how to use it, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and become in the know about in the know. In the know is a phrase that means being in possession of essential or exclusive information. It refers to a person who knows facts or information that isn't widely known or is only known by a select group of people. It's often used to describe someone who is up to date on a particular topic or situation. The phrase, in the know, has been a part of English slang since at least the early 20th century. It's thought to have come from the world of journalism and business, where having insider information was, and still is, a powerful tool. It signifies being privy to confidential or exclusive data that gives one an advantage. Let's see how to use in the know in everyday conversation. You should ask Julia about the company's new policy. She's always in the know. I felt out of place at the meeting because everyone else was in the know about the project changes. Notice how the phrase can also suggest a sense of exclusion or privilege. Being in the know can sometimes mean that there is information that is deliberately kept from others. There are several synonyms for in the know, which can be used interchangeably depending on the context. These include well-informed, up-to-date, privy to, aware of. Each of these synonyms can be used to convey a similar meaning but may vary slightly based on the situation and the type of information being referred to. It's interesting to note that in the know can have different connotations depending on the social context. In some cases, it can be a status symbol to be in the know, as it means you have access to important information others don't. However, it can also create a divide between those who are in the know and those who are not, leading to feelings of exclusion or jealousy. That's a wrap on our exploration of in the know. Now you're officially part of the circle with us. You're in the know about in the know. We hope this video has been informative and has given you a new phrase to add to your English vocabulary arsenal. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English language tips. Until next time, keep learning and stay in the know.